वेल ये एक्चुअली मैं पहली बार जज हूँ, तो पहले मैं बहुत नर्वस थी, लेकिन अभी 4 सीजन्स हो गया तो आई एम अ लॉट मोर कंफर्टेबल। एक्चुअली बहुत मज़ा भी आया इस शो पे, एंड आई एम बिकमिंग वेरी फ्रेंडली विद द कंटेस्टेंट्स, सो it's becoming very difficult now to judge them because you become very attached to them, so yeah. Hello. Thank God you're here. I was feeling very lonely.
Praising you. I thought I'll call you, but then I said
I'm going to see you anyway.
that I'm going to see you. Hello everybody.
Woo! Fun house.
Yes, how are you, baby?
Very, very good. When
I was very long time. I don't know why they call me so early.
Why?
31st August.
Oh, so three more shows.
Karan, we want to do one dance performance. We are going to give you all. Women listen. We're trying doing a makeup. That's very nice.
ठीक है बोल रहे
Very nice.
गाइस कम
Prerna, start. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Jhalak judges on the floor. Start.
तो कुछ टिप्स दिए कुछ
Yeah, please. मुझे
I want to tell you कि मैंने पहला एपिसोड देखा और I wanted to call Jacqueline, लेकिन रात के कुछ 11 बज गए थे. She was so good on the show. I was very surprised क्योंकि मैं जानती हूँ उनको हिंदी की भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट शी वॉज वेरी गुड एंड वेरी नेचुरल एंड एक स्पॉन्टेनिटी और एक यूथफुलनेस डाला है शो में, क्योंकि अब कारण बूढ़े हो गए हैं तो अभी एक जवान जज की ज़रूरत थी, तो अब जैकलिन और मैं आ गए.
लेकिन फिर भी टिप्स दे दीजिए प्लीज.
देयर इज नो टिप्स बेबी, यू आर फैब.
काफी ग्लैमर भी ऐड हो चुका है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. डोंट सिट नेक्स्ट टू मी इन द शो.
No, I'm sitting right next to you. We're putting you in the middle. We're putting you in the middle. Oh, actually, Karan in the middle will be fine.
Karan in the middle.
Jackie will be seen more on TV now.
Well, I mean, this is the first time I've actually tried out, TV and, with judging on Jhalak and stuff, and it's a fantastic experience.
Yeah, it's, and she looked like she's having fun.
Oh God, yeah, but I was actually very nervous on that first show. I was like dying. But now we've done a few more seasons, and it becomes such a journey. It becomes such a journey for everyone, like with the contestants, with the other judges, with the
Hindi में.
हाँ, तो बहुत मजा आया.
जजिंग का सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट क्या है आपके लिए?
Judging सबसे difficult part actually.
I think she can't be. She's too nice to everybody.
Yeah.
So
scores देना है actually बहुत pressure है, क्योंकि सब actually contestants time के बाद दोस्त बन गई, तो it becomes a little bit difficult then to give them.
I know she was being very sweet to everybody, and some
Now I'm finding it so
some
difficult.
extra 9s and 8s were given. I was like, no.
Yeah. Now I'm like, oh God, now what do I do? But it is difficult.
Jacqueline, you are going to be a judge in a dancing show first time, and who is your favorite dancer in Bollywood? Choreographer.
Of course,
Her
madam.
first item song I did.
Exactly.
Which
And
was
how
Dhanno.
nervous. How I was very
She was very
nervous.
nervous.
I was very nervous, but Farah was like supportive and very cool.
But
and
you've become a superb dancer now.
now, I mean, like
Now she's
it's
like,
about time.
bring it on.
It's about time.
Yeah.
And it was always a dream to work with her. Actually, I was very nervous when they called me for that for Dhanno, the item song
For Houseful.
For Houseful. But it was fun. And now many more songs to come.
Besides Farah, any other actor you would like to mention as a dancer, good dancer?
Right now, I think Tiger.
Tiger's
I
superb.
think Tiger is a fantastic dancer. Tiger and Varun both, I think they're phenomenal dancers. And
But I think you should once dance with Hrithik.
Yes.
Because
yeah,
I think they look
legendary.
very good together.
It's legendary. Would love to.
Maybe that can happen during Mohenjo-daro promotions on Jhalak.
I hope so. It's a bit.
They are right now promoting a couple show. Huh?
Can they not be here?
Farah,
How
ma'am,
can they
Jacqueline,
not?
a question to all of you all about dancing. Is Hollywood the only benchmark for Bollywood stars, ma'am?
What does that mean, Baba?
Matlab, people are ready to compromise with anything that they get in Hollywood.
Not true.
Why?
I don't think so.
Compromise with anything? As in?
As
A
in?
glimpse out of a role, Jacqueline. only a glint, they're ready to just perform and they're just out
नहीं
of
कौन है who is performing just a glimpse?
Rather
No,
not-
but now if you see now all of our
नहीं, I think there are a lot of actors who have refused Hollywood movies.
And what big
I know
roles?
for a fact that शाहरुख ने बहुत सारे रोल, क्योंकि वो रोल उनके लिए इतना बड़ा नहीं था, so I don't think they are compromising on anything.
See, I mean, it seems like a great opportunity because of Hollywood's reach. It has a huge reach globally. So it seems like a great opportunity for anyone to take on. I mean, not just Bollywood, anyone, I think from the Chinese film industry. But at the same time, of course, I think it just comes down to the fact that people over there now are taking us extremely seriously and they're seeing our fan following and mass following as well. And so the roles that we are getting also as actors here seem to be getting, I mean, really big and very, very, I mean, like, meaningful over there.
But are we lacking for ideas here in Bollywood so that we are taking it from Hollywood?
What बाबा?
No.
Are we lacking for ideas, original concepts?
हाँ सॉरी कैमरा में बोलती हूँ, तू उधर आना बीच में. नहीं, आई थिंक आजकल जो हमारी फिल्में बन रही हैं वो बिल्कुल
Original?
ओरिजिनल है एंड दे आर वेरी इंडिया बेस्ड मूवीज़. सो आई डोंट थिंक वो पहले शायद 80s 90s में होते थे जब कॉपीराइट नहीं आया था लॉ.
हाँ.
अभी कॉपीराइट लॉ आ गया है, तो आई थिंक पीपल आर बीइंग फोर्स्ड टू बी ओरिजिनल और टू एक्चुअली बाय द राइट्स एंड मेक. सो आजकल तो मैं जो फिल्म देखती हूँ वो बहुत ही ओरिजिनली इंडिया सेंट्रिक फिल्में बन रही हैं.
Yeah, I think the Desi like centric and content and stuff is working a lot better to some degree as well, and they're doing a lot better as well. So I think that's become the trend now.
A last question, why are we so obsessed with Oscars at the end?
यार who is
Why are you picking on us?
तो हम लोग को क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? हाँ, I'll tell you why. Because
It's fun.
for any film person that is the ultimate award that you can get. So अगर आपको सबसे बेस्ट बनना है, जैसे कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को पूछेंगे तो वो बोलेगा मुझे ओलंपिक के लिए मेडल जीतना है. तो आप ये नहीं बोल सकते वाई यू ऑब्सेस्ड विद ओलंपिक्स, आप रोटरी कप में खेलो ना प्लीज. तो दैट इज द अल्टीमेट अवार्ड फॉर एनी फिल्म पर्सन, फॉर एनी पर्सन हु इज मेकिंग अ फिल्म और एक्टिंग इन अ फिल्म.
And they
Because of that.
celebrate film internationally as well.
It is the ultimate award, so I guess everybody would want that.
Yes.
So Jacqueline, how did you celebrate the success of the show?
How did I celebrate? Well, actually, me and my mom went to Maldives for a small break.
okay.
But सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए, it wasn't enough. It was actually quite depressing.
Only 2 days.
Only 2 days.
And that too with your mom.
See this show?
I haven't seen. I haven't seen Dishum. I was
She's gonna
traveling.
see it, she's gonna see it very soon.
I will. I see all movies, so I will be seeing it. हाँ, वो तो है. हाँ, हाँ मैं बहुत करती हूँ, फ़ोन करती हूँ, चैनल को भी करती हूँ कभी कभी. बट दैट्स बिकॉज आई एम टोटली अ रियलिटी शो जंकी. मैं हर शो देखती हूँ. मैं बिग बॉस भी कभी देखती हूँ तो मैं सलमान को भी फ़ोन करती हूँ, तूने ऐसा क्यों बोला, उसको ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था. आई कॉल द चैनल, आई से दिस एडिटिंग वाज बैड. सो आई गेट वेरी इन्वॉल्व इन इट. इफ आई नो द पर्सन पर्सनली, येस आई डू कॉल and offer my tippanis for free.
But you were going to call me, na?
I was going to call her, but I knew I'm meeting her today.
And I knew that she was going to be like,
No, I was going to call her. I have to say that she really did a fab job.
No, but also with my scoring.
The scoring, I know,
scoring
यार,
बहुत मुश्किल है actually.
actresses ना जरा उन लोग का दिल ऐसे होता है.
It's very difficult.
नहीं, मेरे करण ऑलरेडी बन गए हैं जज एंड ही इज वेरी गुड at reality shows. He's anything but real on the show, but he does a fab job. He's actually the most entertaining part of any show that he's on.
And he's very right also.
So I think Karan, and I don't know about anyone else. I think Shahrukh will be useless. He'll be giving 10 marks to everybody. So
What about Salman as a dance judge?
कौन है आपका
Neha, एक minute. What about Salman as
Salman as a dance judge,
As a dance judge, I think he'll be spot on.
I think
No?
he'll be very good. He'll be very honest.
He'll be very, because he is very honest.
Yeah.
He will, and he's very that way also
And he'll
helpful.
think that everybody dancing better than him. So he'll be giving 10 points to everybody.
When we're talking about Salman, so recently Salman has been acquitted of all the charges. So now do you
Guys,
think
no
he should
question on any other thing, only Jhalak. No questions. No, thank you.
Guys, talking about contestants, public voting
I hope he finds happiness.
नहीं, I
In
think
whatever
उल्टा पब्लिक ऑडियंस भी तो पब्लिक ही है ना यार. हाँ,
क्या?
तो ऑडियंस भी पब्लिक है. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक थोड़ा और जजमेंट फेयर हो जाता है, क्योंकि पब्लिक वोटिंग में बहुत टाइम, मैंने बहुत सारे शोज जज किए हैं और हमेशा होता है कि आप अगर कोई स्टेट से है या कोई प्रांत से है तो पूरा स्टेट आपके लिए वोट करता है. दैट बिकम वेरी अनफेयर टू समबडी हु मे नॉट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ पब्लिक सपोर्ट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ फेयर बिकॉज जजेस आर डूइंग 50%, which is actually the way to go.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
मैं अभी तक मैं कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट को पर्सनली नहीं जानती.
जैकलिन, आपसे यू जज वन एपिसोड, कोई सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा आपको कौन होगा बता दीजिए.
See, they are even taking away from us and going.